Hey guys, wanna know how to fix your matchmaking issues in Steampunk Frontier? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a thorough explanation and a possible fixes on how you can fix it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, make sure to check your internet connection. A poor or unstable connection can delay matchmaking or kick you out entirely. Second thing is simply switch in your server. Just head towards the settings, over to the server or region tab and switch it. Try selecting a more populated server for quicker matches. Still waiting forever? It might be low player activity. Try queuing during peak hours or switching to a different game mode. And last but not least, just simply restart a game or even reinstall it if needed. Sometimes files or session bugs mess up matchmaking. And that's it. If nothing works, try contacting support through the in-game help section or official site. And that's it. Smash the like button and subscribe if this video helped. And also tune in with us for more of these. See you in the next one.